Well, this question says that the amount of crops harvested in a farm had increased by 30% in year 2012 as compared to year 2011. What does it mean? It means that in 2012, all right, 30% is expressed as 3 over 10 in fractions. 2012, the crops harvested was 3 over 10 more than, okay, increase. So more than 2011, which means to say that denominator 10 is referring to the year 2011. So year 2011, they had a total of 10 units of crops. And then 2012, 3 units more than 2011. So 2012, it was 13 units of crops. Then we go on to read the next statement. It says that, however, the harvest had dropped by 20% in year 2013 than year 2012. Alright, 20% is expressed as 1/5, so it reached 2013 had 1/5 less than 2012. That means to say we are referring 2012 as 5 parts. And 2013 had 1 part less. 1 part less, that means 2013 would have 4 parts. Okay, so that's how we complete the model. And it said that the total harvest for the 3 years was 7682 kg. What was the difference? Blah blah blah. So before we go on, let's compare the model here. For the year 2012, we're comparing units to parts. We straight away know that 13 units is equal to 5 parts. Alright, so the LCM or lowest common multiples of 5 and 13 is 65. So we're going to cut each unit into 5 blocks, each part into 13 blocks as well. So that means to say we're going to convert all the units and parts into blocks so that we can do direct comparisons. Okay, instead of cutting the model, sometime we can do some form of calculation and indicate it in the model so that the working in the model looks more tidy. So for the year, so for example, now for the year 2011, there were a total of 10 units. Since 1 unit we're going to cut into 5 blocks, so 10 units we cut it into 50 blocks. So we put it down into the model. For 2012, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 1 part is 13, so we multiply 5 parts is 65 blocks. And then 2013, 4 parts, 4 times 13, you will get 52 blocks. So after you put it down all here, then we know that the total number of blocks in 2011, 1, 2, and 13 is equal to 7682 kg of crops. Okay, so we work it out. We know that 167 blocks equal to 7682 kg. Therefore, 1 block is equal to 46 kg. If you were to take 7682 divided by 167, okay, 1 block is equal to 46 kg. The questions: what was the difference in the harvest between 2013 and 2012? 2013 we had only 52 blocks. 2012 we had 65 blocks. The difference is 13 blocks. Right? 65 minus 52 give you 13 blocks. So we'll have to take 13 blocks multiplied by 46 kg. Work that out and you will get 598 kg. So that was the difference of the harvest between 2012 and 2013. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.